Hello, I'm Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, let me share one of the best crypto trading board exchange called Ionix Exchange. So let's stay tuned. So this is Pionex Exchange. If you don't have an account yet in Pionex Exchange, I'll put down the link at the description below so you guys can have an account here in this exchange. So this exchange is not just an ordinary exchange like Binance, Huobi, or MEXC and other exchange, but this is one of the leading crypto trading board exchange. As you can see here, if you can create a board here, you can create all such board like grid trading board, DCA, martingale, rebalancing board, spot futures, arbitrage board, so on and so forth. So you can do all sort of boards. You can even create your own board using AI strategies, or you can customize based on what you want in this exchange. Good? Yeah, definitely good, because all these board that you created, it's very profitable, and it's gonna be very useful for you, for people who are very busy or people who don't want to miss the boat. Okay, so if you want to know more about this, I'll put down the link so you guys can check out more about Pionex Exchange. So of course, before even I go further, if you guys register under my link, you will get a trial funds up to $1,288, $1,288, and you can use this $1,288 trial funds to play around with the trading boards, and you were able to get some profit out of it. In return, this profit are, which is a good thing, right? Using trial funds to play around to get profit, why not? All right, so today, this episode, I want to share a little bit on the earning side, which is this structure earning. Okay, so you can see there is staking structure, there is buy crypto, so on and so forth. All these are quite standard in all exchange, but this is something special. So you can see here on the left hand side corner, there is some manual, auto invest, running order, history orders, running orders, so on and so forth. Where if you click on manuals, right, you can actually invest on USDT, BTC, ETH, XRP. There's a lot of coins that you can invest, and this is towards the dual investment. Of course, today I won't talk about dual investment. If you want to know what is dual investment in future, I will do a video specifically for dual investment. Okay, so today I will talk about auto invest. This one. Can you see here? So this one, if you click on it, right, it will be much more simple, where you can see all sort of products available for you in this Pionex exchange. So today I will talk about ETC buy the dip. This one. All right, the first one. Of course, you can use other boards, right? Buy the dip, cover the gains, sideways gains, invest crypto. All this is up to you. But today, let's talk about this. And the reason why I talk about this is because the investment amount is as low as 0.01 USDT. It's crazy low. So right now, let's get into this, where I can create a board here. And you can see when I click this, it shows me the buying price. What does this mean by buy the dip? Buy BTC with a predetermined price and earn more BTCs before the order fill. Or you can see here, buy the coins without any fees, earn stable coins before price fall below your target price. So this will be the exact answer for you. So meaning that, let's say right now the price of Bitcoin is 19,400. And what does this buying price means? If you click on it, right, the target price at which you want to buy BTC, Bitcoin. So for example, right now it's 19,400. So right now I'm gonna put this at 19,000. So if the price falls below or touches my strike price, which is 19,000, I will straight away buy Bitcoin at the price of whatever I put here. Okay, So right now I have $90 show, for example. So this is the investment where the amount of USDT or USDC or BUSD you want to invest. So you can select the options here. And for example, let me put example, I'm gonna put $50. So if the price touches 19,000, I will buy $50 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. But let's say during this bear market or this bull market, let's say the price doesn't touch 19,000 on my target, on my strike price on that specific date, then what do I earn? Do I burn out my USDT? Do I burn out my $50? Answer is no. In the sense also, you were able to gain staking investment interest rate out of it. Okay, so right now you can see, let's say I put $50 and I click next. And you can see, let's say if I put 19,000, if I struck within settlement period of 1 day, I will get at least around 116 APY. Of course, you can see the settlement period is up to you. 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 2 day, 9 days, up to you. For example, if I select 1 day, if let's say if the price doesn't touch my strike price, and you think it will touch, you can always click on auto reinvest after 1 day. Okay, simple as that. But to show this, let's say I'm gonna click next, and you can see here buying price at 19,000, settlement is on 29, which is tomorrow. See the time to first settlement is 16 hours more. APY is about 116%, and return is about 0.2%. Okay, see, this is the main part. So right now, estimated profit. If BTC falls below, then my return will be around 0.0026 BTC because I'm buying the BTC. But let's say if the BTC still above 19,000, which it doesn't touch my strike price, I will get an interest rate of 0.1 out of $50. So instead of I putting $50, I'll get back 50.1, which is great. When 1 day, let's say for example, I put in $50, I get 0.1. Imagine if I put 500, I get $1. So these are free money if it doesn't touch, right? So you're gonna win both ways. If the price touches your strike price, then you will get BTC. But if the BTC doesn't touch your strike price, you get interest rate out of it, which is like a staking. Correct? It's somehow like a do investment, but you get the picture of like, if you touch, you buy the BTC, you buy the cryptos. If you don't touch, you get interest rate out of it. And if you keep on doing that, you are getting free money both ways, right? So this is something unique that I never seen before. And let's say right now I'm gonna click this, and you will see that I will be investing $50, and my APR is about 116%, and you can see the current price is about 19,400 plus, and the settlement date is this, so on and so forth. And this is what you see. So this will be the running orders on the left hand side, and you can see the history order here if you want, since I don't have any histories, so there will be no history, of course. All right, so you get the picture of this buy the dip, right? Both ways you're gonna earn money. If you strike, you get crypto. If you don't strike, you get interest. Why not, right? So this is one of the best tools ever that I see. It's a win-win situation for both ways, bull or bear market. I think this will be perfect for people who want to trade using trading bots. Of course, you can play around with others. You can even play around with staking if you want to, where you can just stake your ETH or stake your other coins. Right now, there's only ETH right now for to be exact, but you get a picture of how this works. So always click on this auto invest, and you can play around with all these, and it's gonna be very good. Of course, if you are expert, you can play with manual, dual investment. Actually, these are both are dual investment, to be frank. And if you want to play more advanced, of course, all this would help, where you can see this DCA bot martingale will be the best way for you to play around during the bear market. All right, so try it out. It's no harm. You're gonna win both ways. All right, and I see you guys soon. All right, if you liked my episode today, remember to click like, share, and subscribe, and say goodbye to you. Okay, see you soon. Bye.